Hey guys, today we are going to do some smoked queso with smoked brisket. It's going to be yummy. Hi y'all. Today I am going to do some smoked queso. I've got a little chunk of brisket left from a smoke I did recently, and Velveeta, of course. You can't make queso without Velveeta. Some fire roasted rotel, some no salt added rotel. I know, salt, yeah, I love salt, but anyway. A couple of cans of green chilies, a block of Philadelphia cream cheese, and a surprise ingredient, which before y'all knock it, you gotta try it. A can of cream of mushroom soup. It really, you can't taste the cream of mushroom, but it just adds a creaminess to the queso. So I'm gonna get this all together. So y'all come on back, and we're gonna do this on my smoke and Tex. Get a lot of smoke out of that. So come on back. So I have all the ingredients in here, and I forgot one earlier. We added some shredded cheddar because this is queso, that's cheese. And when we got everything else in here, we had this little bit of Velveeta, all of this brisket, cream cheese, okay, the mushroom soup, the green chilies, which are under there somewhere, and the rotel. And cameraman Doug was like, I think we need more cheese. And I said, I think you're right. So here we are. We added this mound of shredded cheese. So now I'm just going to mix it all up and put it on my Smoke and Tex, which is already going. I've got a little lump piece of hickory in there, and I think that will be plenty to get some smoke flavor on there. Okay, that's a scoop. This isn't a spoon, but I'm gonna make it work. So get some of that rotel over here. So I'm gonna get this all mixed up, and I'll put it on the smoker. Can't use a bigger pan than that. Okay, we're gonna check on the wood situation. We'll add some more, and we'll get this going. Okay, so the queso, smoked brisket queso, is done. Look at that lovely goodness. So I didn't have to add another can of cream of mushroom soup. It's good. See? Look at that. We got these pretzel chips from Costco that we're going to try with. So hold on. It's probably going to be a little hot. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, cameraman Doug, get in there. No, I'm saying, come on, get in here, try it. That's some good stuff. Oh look, you left a little piece for me. I'm happy, he's happy. This is good. Try it, y'all. Do whatever you want with it. You can put ground beef in it, taco meat in it, whatever. I used brisket because I had it. Make it your own. Y'all come back. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.